Welcome to the channel RayofHope, and this is going to be the third lecture for open redirection and host error injection. We have already performed one of the tasks using burpsuite. We have covered the theory part of as well, right? So now there's one website called Contact, right? So all I need to do is do a search. Go to this page. Guys, if now I have already created one account. In order to reproduce this attack, you need to create an account on this website, right? What I'm gonna go ahead and create an account, right? I will log in over here, but can you see there is a in parameter, like, so we are getting return URL and the in parameters, right? So what I'm gonna go ahead, I'll try to change this with google.com. and see if it is redirecting us. See, you not need to just put it and log in. First, you need to put over there. You have to put this URL right in the existing URL by removing the existing parameter. Then click enter. Now both URL get attached, and then whatever credential you have, right? When you will click login, right? See, it will redirect us to google.com. Why it is happening? Because this website has this vulnerability. Sometimes when you would not be able to, sometimes it will not redirect you to the URL, the existing external URL which you are providing. Then there is something called URL encoder, right? So when you go over here, paste the browser, encode this, and when you get to the encoding forward this, then you're gonna go ahead and put this over here, click enter. Now you have other over, then put your credential, click on login, and it will redirect us to google.com. This is how you can perform open redirection and host error injections, right? This is very typical. Not only in this website, like if I gonna go ahead and like do this, hacker1.com. So now, if I'm doing this, would I be able to redirect the URL to the hacker1.com? Enter. Okay. Now login. It is redirecting us to the hacker1 account, right? So now you are getting what I'm trying to tell you. So you guys must be saying that, hey, this is something redirecting us to any URL. So if it is so, can you do so? Can you do this over here on these websites? If I'm gonna go ahead, like if I have all the filters, right? So if I am doing this, I have the parameter over here. Will it redirect to this account or not? No, it is not redirecting, right? So over here on this website, this vulnerability exists. Therefore, we were able to redirect the user to some other website, right? This is all about the open redirection. This is the last video. If you guys would have any question related to this, please comment and I will definitely help you out. Thank you.